All right, so I just got this, and we're going to open it up. And supposedly it does have its battery included. And yeah, we're going to see if our refrigerator and our freezer is working. I got 2 of them. So let's do it. All right, so these supposedly have a battery in them. And it says just to pull here. Right here, you see that? So I guess I just pull that off. And then here you have to pull this out, and then it should work. Now it says 77 degrees, so I think I just stick it in there and see what happens. Here's number 2. Pull that off. Pull that off. Bob is your uncle, and we got 2 of them. Let's go see what happens with these bad boys. Excuse me.
But it's got ice all built up again. I took it all off. I wiped it all down.
Could we just do some science here, please? Could we just do some science?
Yeah. Okay.
Can I do some science?
Okay.
Let's just do some science.
He's putting the, well, he's doing a video as we speak, but he's putting the thermometers in each.
Yeah, this is getting shut.
Yeah, so there's cold air.
Right, they're shut. All right, we'll come back in a couple minutes. They've been in there for a while. Let's check them out. This one says 39, which is good, under 40. That's what we want. This one says, oh wow, 6 degrees. That is cold, and that's frozen. So this is definitely working. All right, so if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this right there. Peace out.